Hello and welcome everyone to Learn to Trade. My name is Kevin Tate. Glad to be here with you all today. Today's broadcast is titled Lancer Twin Pour Fountain Machine Diagnosis and Parts Order. This is a Lancer Twin Pour fountain soda machine that you're seeing on the screen right now. Um, I had a job on this machine today, and it was basically for the right side screen. The screen that you see right up there on the left and the right side screen went blank. And I went there to troubleshoot it because I really wasn't familiar with this model of a machine. The model, by the way, this is a 4900 model. But I mainly work on a lot of Lancer FS30s, Cornelius, TJ 300s, the IDC Pro units. As far as soda units, this would this would be a first for me working on a twin pour unit. But I did find that it's fairly similar to IDC Pro. Um, so I went there just to basically check it out, see what I could find out about it, and I ended up pulling up the operation manual, and that's what you see here. I'm gonna just go down because I want to show you where I located my parts at. Go down here a little bit. It's down on page 24 of the operation manual, and I will put this manual link in the description below as well, so you could check that out. And it's got a real good it's got a pretty good troubleshooting section on it also. They go through troubleshooting the valve, syrup and flavor line troubleshooting, ice bin, ice chute, carbonator pump troubleshooting, remote syrup pump troubleshooting as well. And then now I got here down in the parts section, I was able to find that bezel. It's number 4. And number 4, it's the description is a bezel display assembly, and the part number is 826043. So I ended up ordering that part because that part is bad. It's not coming on. There's power going to it, and the display does not come on. So let me just switch over here, and then I will show you some clips of the actual machine that I was working on, some still shots that I took. Then I can kind of go over it with you, what I did as far as diagnosing it. And as you can see on the screen, I have the Lancer tech support number on the screen. If you'd like to take that down, um, that does come in handy. So I have it on the screen right now, and I will also put it down in the description for you. Okay, and here we go with the twin pour unit that I was working on. As you can see, the right side screen, the right side display is out. That's the data plate. It's got the model number, serial number, part number of the machine itself. Gives you all of the pertinent information that you need as far as stuff goes. And it also, on that display, they also have that QR code that you can scan with your phone, and I'm sure you can pull up operation manual or a service manual with from there. This is the water filter system that they have for it. They're using Hosazaki filter unit, and this is they have a Manitowoc ice maker on top of that um, fountain soda machine as well, and then you can see below that underneath filters, the filters, you could see the booster pump down there. So that's what that is. And this is a image of the inside of the unit behind the merchandiser. All of your syrup valves, your flavor shots, valves are all up here in this area. You have your control panel for the right side display right here. This is where I took the display out here. You can see the blank area right here. I took that all the way off so I could be able to trace the wires. And all of the connections go up to this control box, and that's on each side. So each one has its own individual control board. Okay, and then I'll show you what that control board looks like as well. But what I did was I disconnected the bad display, and I took this display and I put it over here on the right side, and I connected it because I wanted to see if the problem was going to follow, and it did. I'm sorry, it didn't. It didn't follow with this display because I knew this display was working. So when I put it over here, I plugged it in with using these wires for the right side, and it worked. It worked fine. Um, Power came on and everything. So that's telling me that the wires are good. The control board that the wires are plugging into is good. So I went ahead and went through that manual that I showed you earlier and went ahead and ordered the new bezel assembly. And once that comes in, I'll come back and um, install the new bezel assembly and test it out, and they should be all set. Um, Let me go to the next one. This is the see if I can enlarge it a little for you. This is the control board for that right side. This is the control board. Um, you can see the indicator lights are on. The green indicator light is on here. The power indicator light is on right up here. So that was the control board. And I took a look at that. I took the cover off to inspect that board just to see if there was possibly any water damage or if there were any burnt wires or anything. And like I said, I didn't find anything like that. It was in good condition. And that's just a data plate for that bezel display. That's the data plate for the bezel display that I'm going to be replacing. But yeah, that's this was a new piece of equipment for me. I mean, it's made by the same manufacturer, but they still have their own little differences and stuff. And I kind of like this machine. I like the way it's set up with the two ice dispensers, one on the right, one on the left, and then it has the display on that side. So that way you can have two people at the machine getting a beverage, and they don't have to wait for the other one to use the ice. You know, they can get the ice right there and then go ahead and fill their cup. And same on the other side. But Yeah, it's a pretty nice looking machine. So once I get it back up and running, I like to see how it does. I'm sure this does good for the customer also. This is this was at a location. It's called TA Express, and that's like a rest stop area off of the highway. So it's easy to get to. And then once inside, there's plenty of room to work. It's pretty spacious in there. So I don't mind those travel centers too much because it's got a lot of room in them. You know, so that's what I ran into today. I just wanted to kind of go over this with you because it was a new piece of equipment for me. And I also would like to show you. Let me put that, not for real, that Lancer number back up for you again. That's the tech support line for Lancer, if you want to take that down. And then also, I would like to mention the FBD training that is going to be available. Um, if you're interested in attending the free FBD training in San Antonio, Texas, be sure to reach out to me at that email that you see on the screen. Just send me an email. Let me know that you're interested in attending, and I will put you on the list. And once FBD finalizes the date for the training, they will be able to contact you through the email. And I'll probably do a video just to let everybody know that the training is has been finalized, that the date has been finalized. So just keep an ear out for it. But definitely, if you're interested, send me your an email. Let me know that you're interested, and I will get you on that list. Okay. And that's all I have for now on this one. Again, this was a Lancer twin pour fountain soda machine, and I diagnosed it with a bad bezel display assembly, and I went ahead and ordered the part out of the operation manual that you seen earlier. And I will put the link for the operation manual in the display in the description for you. So be sure to upload that if you need it. All right. And that's all I have. I thank you all for watching. I'd like to thank the channel members and the website members. And I thank you all as viewers for supporting this channel and continuing to watch and send your comments. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I appreciate you all. Take care and stay well.